guys? Welcome back to another video, and today, the last video I made was the Pop Rock and Coke challenge, and we didn't throw up. We're just burping a lot for no reason. Like, right? It might be the effect of the Coke. So, right here, we have American Black Cherry Water.
I'm gonna drink.
And we are gonna do a burping contest and a burping competition.
First we have to eat a jelly bean with them. I'm gonna go first. Dylan goes second.
No more. You guys stay here. We are gonna have cereal.
I'm going for black licorice. Black licorice.
Yeah, we have to eat. We have to. But yeah, it's definitely the effect of the Coke. Cause like I'm burping a lot for no reason at all, and I'm not making myself burp at all. Oh no, I'm turning into Roy. Sir burps a lot. Sorry. I won that round.
You have to have one of these jelly beans.
If you lose.
Okay.
I won that round.
Hey, I didn't do the round.
Yeah, you did before. Really?
Okay, my turn. I want the red jelly bean.
You don't get to choose.
No.
I won that round.
Okay, my turn. Hey, I have to.
Wow.
Making me. Hey, my turn. That's my turn. I win the one because I broke the boys.
No. I did.
I did it. I won.
My turn.
Then it's my turn. I won that round.
You're gonna make yourself throw up, Dylan. What was that? That was like a sigh. It was like.
I won the round.
No, you didn't. I did.
My turn. My turn.
Oh no, you guys gotta please stop this.
I won like every single round so far.
Guys, you are working nerves.
We're doing a challenge.
Yeah, but you don't need to work my nerves while you do a challenge.
Then
Stop
go
it,
outside.
it's nasty.
My turn.
Ready? Oh, that was the weakest one out of this challenge.
Okay, my turn.
Oh.
Then my turn. I won that round.
This is a cool challenge. I love this challenge. Oh, don't make yourself throw up. My turn. My turn.
Hey,
My
I
turn.
didn't get a drink.
Yeah, you did. William.
Who Foxy gonna be? Foxy being Foxy.
I won. We're gonna have a burp off in the next video. Seriously, we are. Me and him. Me and William.
Me too.
Only.
Me too.
I think I'm gonna throw.
Me
Ew! Get that away from me.
too.
Ow.
You know who Foxy's gonna be? I think.
We drank almost all of it.
Watch this. I think I'm gonna be the winner of this one.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're just going off of who has the loudest burp. And that's
That was no, I was not.
What the frick was that?
I have the Mine is
Ah. Ugh. You're about to throw up, Dylan. Coke is the best with this, though.
Who Freddy gonna be? Who Foxy
I got
gonna be? I know.
I definitely what.
Dylan, who is the winner of this challenge? Me or William? Yay! I'm the winner. Dylan was the judge.
But I go with.
I
Yeah.
want to see how much pounds I have. Probably like 90, not 70. I bet you have 70 too.
Or 100. I'm probably 100. Probably.
You
Three.
It's an error. Dude.
I know what E means.
It's my turn.
After this.
No, it's my turn after.
Then it's my turn. Then
It's an error. Hey, it's an error.
Yeah, I know.
You erred.
Here,
I
let me activate it. No, William.
What?
Here it is. My turn.
94.2.